On 6th October 2023, the Cabinet Minister and official spokesperson of the State Government of Meghalaya, Lyngdoh, addressed the press, providing updates on critical matters concerning the Social Welfare Department and the potential addition of the Khasi language to the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. During his address, the minister reported positive outcomes from discussions with Union Minister Smriti Irani, who oversees the Women and Child Development Department. A significant allocation has been earmarked for the elevation of 1,266 mini Anganwadi centers to major ones across the state of Meghalaya.
I had a meeting with the Union Minister in charge, Smriti Irani, in charge of child development and women's welfare. And at that particular meeting, which I had briefed to you earlier, I had followed up some of the pending matters in the Department of Social Welfare. So as a consequence of this meeting and the follow-up that happened after that by officials of the Department of Social Welfare, I'm happy to share with you the good news, two in fact very important components. One is the sanction for upgradation of 1,266 Anganwadi centers from mini Anganwadi centers to main Anganwadi centers. This upgradation, which I also made a mention in the recently concluded session of the State Assembly, would include the increase in the in each of these centers. Instead of one, we will now have 2 workers and helpers, and this upgradation will involve the following enhancement. One is the increase in the honorarium of mini Anganwadi workers from rupees 3,500 per month to 4,500 per month. That is an additional financial implication of rupees 1,000 per month per Anganwadi. 2 is the appointment of Anganwadi helpers at 2,250 per month. 3, supply of uniforms, which is 2 sets per year at the cost of 1,000 per annum per center. Medicine kit from rupees 750 to double, that is to 1,500 per center per annum. Equipment and furniture from rupees 7,000 to rupees 10,000 for 5 years. Administrative expenses from rupees 1,000 to rupees 2,000 per annum, and also the appointment of fresh 51 new lady supervisors for these 1,266 AWCs, that is Anganwadi centers, 1,266, and the appointment of 51 lady supervisors. So overall, the total fund requirement for which the central share is being released, the total requirement comes to 826.38 lakhs. That is, the state share is 743.74 lakhs and the central share is 743.74 lakhs and the state share is 82.64 lakhs. Now, some of the conditions that have been put forward will be met by the state government, and it is a major development because these centers have all along, when they were mini centers, they had just 1 worker, and now this number has been doubled. Apart from the appointment of supervisors and help us.
Regarding the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, Paul Lyngdoh expressed confidence anticipating its presentation in the forthcoming session of the Parliament.
The country, as well as the minister in charge in the Department of Donor, for pursuing of this matter. We are now confident that a bill will be introduced, and as you will have seen, the seminar held at Delhi, followed by the sit-in demonstration, saw a historic participation of almost all political parties, a number of NGOs, apart from scholars and students of both Nehru and universities in Delhi. I'm yet to see the list. But since the TAS is only confined to Khasi language, this information was shared.
But state government, in fact, was raising voice. Even you were there in the protest, demand needing the inclusion of Khasi language. So why nothing was said regarding that movement? Because you are a cabinet minister.
See, we were part of a program organized by the Khasi Authors Society. If a similar program is organized by Garo authors and they invite us, we will certainly join them.